Magandang umaga po, ako po si Remer Silora, operator na DTF dito sa DT Dumaguete. Ang machine dito yung ginagamit ng 6 na araw na may total na 141 meters. Ito po yung printer head area. Pinilitan po ang whitehead last December 2024. Ito naman yung capping na by 70% good condition. Head clean. Punasan ang wiper pagkatapos mag-heat clean at nozzle test. Ito naman yung ink tank system, yung ink level is sakto lang. Ito naman yung waste tank area, last disposal to last week. EVR, ground wire. Ito naman yung mga stock ng mga unused ink, unused cleaning solution. Resin powder at white ink. Ito naman yung stock ko na film. Ito po yung delay output recording. Ito naman yung consumable withdrawal. At ito naman yung physical inventory. Maraming salamat po.